Want to avoid accidentally trespassing? Use this one feature right inside of onX Offroad to know where you can and can't go. All right, so first things first here, we're going to open up onX Offroad on our mobile device. And on the bottom right of the screen, we are going to tap our layers button. Hitting layers, we will then want to toggle on our private land layer, which is going to be right next to the dispersed camping layer. Now, when we zoom in on our map, we'll start to clearly see marked red boundary lines separating public and private land. By tapping on private land, it's going to become highlighted so we can instantly see where access changes. We'll even see landowner info and property details when available. This is huge for seeing where a trail crosses, where access is legal, and when we might even need to turn around. Out here, a trail might look open, but using the private land layer right inside of onX Offroad will tell you if it is. All right, this is how to turn on the private land layer right inside of onX Offroad. So as you can see, our map is looking a little bare right now. We tap our layers, tap layers again, we'll turn on private land layer. And now we'll start to see these red lines. And if we tap into one of these, this is where we can start to see owner information, tax address, acreage size, and more. The private land layer right inside of onX Offroad. This is how you start exploring with confidence, no guessing, and no awkward run-ins.